Smoke aloft and smoke near the surface are going to be two entirely different forecasts as it looks right now. Here's the smoke aloft. This is what's going to give you those really red sunsets and sunrises. And you can see there's going to be a lot of it coming in waves from the north through the weekend, right into Monday, in fact. At least the Monday morning sunrise looks like it will be affected as well. As far as that air quality alert at the surface, that's a different forecast, and that's the one we're going to talk about right now, because that is going to be concerning when we talk about health concerns, or we talk about with folks that have asthma or heart and lung issues. This is the near surface smoke. So again, up around International Falls, Grand Rapids, even towards Duluth this evening, we've seen the air quality really deteriorate there. And what we're watching for is we're going to be watching for that bright orange area as it moves around the region. Taking a look at tomorrow, again, it looks as though it may just clip the western portion of the Twin Cities tomorrow, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and then really settles into the western half of the state. But on Sunday, it starts to come back with westerly winds around here. So Sunday, as you go through the rest of Sunday and into Monday, that's when we may see conditions deteriorate for most of the region. We're going to keep an eye on the Pollution Control Agency's forecast. That's who's determining that air quality alert. 70 degrees outside right now. It's hazy, but mostly clear skies. And temperatures for today with that haze managed to only reach the upper portion of the 70s, a few low 80s. Likely that haze will affect the daytime highs and in the forecast, so it will cut back a little bit on the heat, but it'll also cancel out some of that sunshine, so it may not feel quite as bad as maybe the numbers look when we talk about the weekend forecast and those numbers. Right now, cooling down around the lake, but elsewhere, still a lot of 60s in the region. We do have a cold front that's just kind of across the Arrowhead. That's going to help alleviate most of the issues for the Arrowhead and central Wisconsin. Right now, the wind's light from the northwest. They're going to become a little more northeasterly. This cold front's not sweeping through and clearing our skies or cooling our temperatures, but we will get a little bit of a northeast breeze around here, and that's what's pushing that wildfire smoke a little further to the west tomorrow. But temperatures, as you can see, still well into the 80s across our region, and for Sunday, we're going into the 90s around here. And checking out that 7-day forecast, even hotter as you look to Monday, but relief comes as we get some scattered showers and thunderstorms there on Tuesday. That should also help alleviate this wildfire smoke situation we have going on too.